running through exactly how to use AI automations like the top 1% as I run through some of the latest automations and Q&As inside the AI Profit Boardroom. Plus, if you have questions as we go along, feel free to ask. I'm happy to help you as we go through. What else we got here? So Vladimir Legend says presenting memes as a service. This is quite interesting. So 5 days ago, I came across a new brilliant idea, generating business-related memes. Here it is. So let's check out its website in a sec. memesaservice.com or .ai. And then you can basically charge potential clients, I assume, for using this stuff. So let's have a look. Here's some screenshots of what it looks like. So you can like analyze people's businesses, generate memes, etc. This would be pretty cool for ads, actually. Different types of memes as well. So let's have a look here. You've got like different types of memes that you can create. So like one that reframes or one that amplifies the pain, one that's like a punchy headline copy, etc. Super interesting.